In the early winter season, on the Luxi River within the Longhu mountain scenic area of Yingtan city, the panda of birds on Chinese Mergansers have arrived again to continue the inexplicable bond with Longhu mountain as long as 18 years. This time, the collective appearance of 4 Chinese Mergansers filled Longhu mountain scenic area ranger Xiao Dongyang with indescribable joy.
往年都是一只的那个基本上都是成年公鸭来的，都是一只的。今年是一次就来了4只，其中是3只公鸭，1只母鸭。
Since 2007, every autumn and winter, this special group of migrants has begun their journey of thousands of miles, choosing Longhu Mountain in Yingtan as an important stop on their travels. The number of Chinese Mergansers is extremely limited globally. According to statistics, there are only about 4,000 of them left in the world. They have extremely high requirements for their habitat, preferring waters with pure water quality and abundant food.